In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom crosshair overlay in Destiny 2 on your PlayStation 5. Method 1. Use a gaming monitor with crosshair overlay. Many gaming monitors include a built-in crosshair overlay feature. Just open your monitor settings using the physical buttons. I'll look for a setting like Game Assist or Crosshair. Enable it and choose the crosshair style you like. It will appear on screen at all times, even in Destiny 2. Method 2. Use a transparent sticker or DIY crosshair. Place a tiny, transparent crosshair sticker or a dry erase marker in the center of your screen. It sounds basic, but it's a proven method used by FPS players. Just make sure it's removable and doesn't damage your screen. Method 3. Use an HDMI device with overlay support. Some capture cards or HDMI pass-through devices support overlays. Devices like XIM Apex or Cronus Zen can add visual overlays, though this may be more complex and pricey. Reminder: avoid software that modifies gameplay directly. Those can get you banned. All the methods mentioned here are safe and non-intrusive.